Hello children, good morning. Good morning Akshat. Good morning Shobhat.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Shobhat, finish your food quickly. Yeah. Finish it quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let everyone join in, then we'll pick up from where we left. Right?
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Please be ready with your books. Akshat, get your book, bache. Shobhat, here's your book. Get your book. Be ready with your books. Good morning, Akhya. Good morning, Yashmit. Good morning, Vamika. Children, can you hear me? Yashmit, Vamika, Shaurya.
Yes, ma'am.
So I said,
Yes, ma'am.
good morning. You should say good morning, ma'am, as well.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning,
It is very less of the class. Why is the strength so less today? How many children were present in the previous class? Let me see the message.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. They are joining in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Good morning. So children, have you understood all what we have read till now? Is there any doubt in that? Any confusion?
No, ma'am. Not any doubt. No, ma'am.
No? Is it is as clear as crystal?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
As clear as crystal? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. A very good morning to each one of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So children, first of all, well done. You people made wonderful collages yesterday, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Collages were wonderful. There's just one or two things which I would like to tell you. Like few of the children did very nicely. They wrote the heading as well, Monuments of Delhi, and then they wrote the names of those monuments as well. Right? That was the right thing to do. Along with the monuments and the pictures, you must have written the heading and the names of them as well, so that whosoever is viewing the collage can see the collage and get an idea. Okay, this is this monument, this is this monument, and these are the monuments of Delhi. Right?
Ma'am, I
This
named
is
them,
one.
but the pictures were not, not there of when I named them.
I think Yashmit has done that. Yashmit has also named the pictures of monuments, right? You named the pictures, Yashmit?
Good morning. Only there was Jantar Mantar named, and ma'am, all the other I named, but I think the pictures were deleted.
Okay, no worries. But yes, from next time, if I'll ask you to do something like that, that's the way you will be doing it. On the topmost, you will be writing the heading, right? For example, wait a minute, Arhan, we'll come to you. At the topmost, you will write that, okay, these are the monuments of Delhi. And then with the picture, with each and every picture, you will write the name of the monument as well. Okay, Akshada. Be in the class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
How was my collage, Anika Verma?
Everybody's work was wonderful, but this was a mistake I found common in many of the picture, many of the collages. That's why. Varshita, Bacha, sit straight. Do not lean on the sofa like that. Hanji, yes, Arhan.
Ma'am, I'm drinking coffee.
Ma'am, I was saying that
Break
there
is
is
over.
a monument in Delhi with a very strange name, Khuni Darwaza.
Yeah, there are various kinds of things here. Kunal, I cannot see you attending the class. I can see you talking to someone. That is not right, right? Bhavya Rastogi, are you there? Bhavya Rastogi?
Ma'am, I am taking out my copies.
Hurry up, children. Everyone, be ready with your book. Okay.
Yes,
now I-
ma'am. I'm ready.
Everybody,
Then
the
highlighter.
way we are supposed to sit.
Ma'am, I am ready.
Everybody sit straight, back straight, and the book must be in front. Yeah, that's what is looking like a class now. Very good. Arhan, I cannot see a video. Yeah.
Ma'am, I am coming in just 3 minutes,
Attention
please.
in the class. Beta, we have to maintain the decorum of the class, right? Good. If we'll sit nicely, sit smartly, only then we can study smartly. Nice.
Ma'am, I'm
highlighters.
ready with my highlighter.
I can see the highlighters. Good. Varshita, bache, sit properly. Anika, sit straight. Look at the way you're sitting. Don't lean on the table. Sit straight. Take a spoon out of your mouth. Take it out. Put it in the book up and keep the mug aside. Yeah. Cool, children. So now we will begin.
My mom gives me to drink this in the classes.
No, but you can keep it aside. Later you can have it. But first we need to sit in the class. Like see how nicely Rena is sitting, how nicely Bhavya is sitting. Sit like these children attentively, right? Anika is sitting very smart. Anika has turned her video off.
No, ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am, when will you come to Army Camp this day?
Come to
Army Camp.
Beta. I'll let you know whenever I'll come. Okay, then we'll meet. Abhi, we all must stay at our home because the cases are rising up.
Ma'am, my home is in PB Mark, but in the evening I go for cycling in the Birdwood, new Birdwood line, in the park. I go near that park.
So children, we have done Haryana, we have done Delhi, right? And today we have done Chandigarh as well. Today we will talk about which state?
Uttar
Pradesh.
Are you excited?
Uttar
about
Pradesh.
this state?
Uttar Pradesh.
Children, are you excited to read about this state?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why are you so excited?
Can I read first, Summer?
I'll tell you. Why? What is so special about this state?
Ma'am,
I want to Swamika.
Ma'am will live in it.
First tell me, yeah, this is
Ma'am,
the
most
state
populated
we
state.
live in. But children, don't we live in Bareilly? How can we live in Uttar Pradesh?
Ma'am, because Bareilly is a district in Uttar Pradesh.
Very good.
Yes,
Bareilly
ma'am.
is a district or a city which is in Uttar Pradesh. So don't we live in India? Do we live in Uttar Pradesh only?
Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh is a state of India.
Pradesh is in India.
Achha, is it
We
that
live in-
way? Thank you.
And we live in a district of Uttar Pradesh, Bareilly.
Wow, you people are very intelligent. Thank you so much for enlightening me with this knowledge. So we live in India, and in India we live in Uttar Pradesh, and in Uttar Pradesh we live in Bareilly. And do you know in which continent do we live?
Asia.
Asia.
In Asia.
Asia.
And in which planet do we live? Jupiter. Okay, we live on Earth.
Ma'am, can I read Uttar Pradesh?
Ma'am, you can also ask that in which galaxy we live in.
Fine.
Children,
Children,
And Milky Way galaxy.
now see, I have told you very quickly the rule of the class that beta, I will check who has to read. Nobody will do this may I thingy, right? Because this does nothing except disturbing the class. Okay, children? I'll tell who has to read. Okay? So Varshita, you have not read once till now, right? Varshita,
What?
Ma'am, I have also not read.
Beta, I know who all have not read. I'll give everyone a chance, right? So today we are going to begin with Varshita. Varshita is going to read for us.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Varshita.
I'm starting to read. Okay, ma'am. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most thickly populated state of India. Lucknow is its capital. The Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Batwa, and Chamba rivers flow through the state. The climate in Uttar Pradesh is generally warm, with the rainy season lasting from June to September. The land here is flat and fertile. The natural vegetation includes grassland and forests. Major crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, and maize are grown. The state also produces delicious varieties of mangoes known
Okay,
as
stop here.
Gashri and Langra.
Right, as the Shari and Langada. Do you know there is a variety of mango known as Langada?
No, ma'am.
There is,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am, I
So
knew
mothers
that.
and fathers, they'll tell you about it. And this time in
Ma'am, I ate langda.
Yeah, and
Ma'am,
then
I
what's the
eat
flavor of
dashari.
Can you tell me what's the flavor of this kind of mango?
Ma'am, dashari is
Ma'am,
sweet and
in both
langda is
Delhi
also sweet.
Yeah, it's
Ma'am,
sweet
the
and mixture of
cherry is
sweet and
orange in color.
Ma'am, I eat both Langada and Dashari both.
sour. Right. The sherry is a bit orangish in
Ma'am,
color.
I eat Bombay also.
Yellowish,
Ma'am,
right?
I eat Bombay also.
Oh wow, isn't it? Isn't it like the sherry is a bit orangish in color and langda is a bit yellowish?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right? Okay, Shobit, done?
Ma'am, may I continue reading?
No, stop. This much only you have to read.
Okay.
Right? So as Varshita read and told us that Uttar Pradesh is the most thickly populated state. What do you mean by thickly populated state, children?
Ma'am, most
Less
populated.
Ma'am, very populated.
Very
Ma'am, densely populated.
lots of
Hugely populated.
Now,
Very
children, I would
populated.
like to ask you this question. Why so many people live in Uttar Pradesh? Why is it the most thickly populated state of India?
Ma'am, because its land is flat and fertile.
Ma'am, because the land is flat and
good
fertile.
for growing crops.
Okay, now stop. Children, you know when I'll raise my hand like this, it means it's a signal for you to for what? Stop. Right?
Stop.
Right. Okay. So yes, her answer is absolutely correct. Right? Uttar Pradesh is the most thickly populated state of India. Right? And it is so because the land there is flat and fertile. Arhan, I cannot see you, bache. Shobit sits properly. What is this, beta? Arhan, you are not visible to me. I cannot see you, Arhan. Kunal. Right. It is the most thickly populated state of India because the land is flat and fertile. It is very easy for people to live here because of fertile land. A lot of crops can be grown here. Okay. And people have enough food to eat most of the time. Right? Now, if we talk about the capital of Lucknow, then what is the capital of Lucknow, children?
Ma'am, Lucknow is the
Ma'am,
capital of
Lucknow is the capital.
Ma'am, Lucknow is the capital.
Lucknow is
So you got me.
Ma'am,
Very
Lucknow
good.
is the capital.
This shows that you people are attending in the class.
Capital of Uttar Pradesh.
Lucknow is the capital. What is the capital? Uttar Pradesh or Lucknow?
Lucknow.
Ma'am, Lucknow.
People are
Capital is Lucknow.
yes.
Someone is saying Lucknow.
Lucknow, right?
Ma'am, someone was saying Uttar Pradesh.
No,
Yes,
Lucknow.
ma'am. Someone was saying Lucknow.
Lucknow is the capital.
Ma'am,
And
anybody was saying Lucknow with very weird voice. He was saying like Lucknow.
ignore. Right, children? Daksh Pratap Singh, please be present in the class. Okay. So, next part told us about few rivers which flows through the state. Now, we also live in Uttar Pradesh, but we do not see any river here. In Bareilly, do we have any river
No, ma'am.
flowing
No,
through?
ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, there is one river known as Ram Ganga, which is way to at the edge of the city. Have you heard of it? If you have heard of it.
Ma'am, but Ramganga is mentioned here.
Yeah, kind of that.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
the important river we have. So the important rivers of the state are Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, Agra, Betwa, and Chambal. How many important rivers do we have in our state? We have 6 important rivers in our state. How many? 6.
Six.
Are Ganga, Yamuna,
Ganga,
Yamuna,
Betwa, and Chambal. Very good. Now the climate
Ma'am.
of Uttar Pradesh is generally warm. Warm means like not sunny, kind of sunny, right? We have generally warm climate with the rainy season lasting from June to September. From June to September, which season do we have? Rainy season, right? Then why is it raining nowadays? This is not the rainy season.
Ma'am, because of global warming.
Because of global warming is it? Earlier also it rained. These are known as winter days, right?
Yes,
Winter
ma'am.
days.
Because my mama was saying that there is a snowfall in mountains. That's why.
Children, keep your mics off. Better disturbance is coming because of which my voice will not be clear. So everybody is requested to keep your mics off. Thank you. Right? So the climate is generally warm with rainy season lasting from June to September. Next is they say that the land here is flat and fertile. Flat land, we know what is flat land, and fertile means we can grow crops easily here, right? We have read about this term again and again. We're reading about it again and again. Shaurya, fertile means?
Then fertile means the soil which is good for growing crops, and it is
Soil
more
good
important
growing
for farmers.
crops, right? And Arhan, you are still not here. Arhan, let me send a message for him in the group. Arhan is not there in the class, right? Amrita Rawal, I have read her in, right? Jasrina, are you in the class?
Yes, ma'am, I am in the class, ma'am.
Okay. Arhan is not here, no? Arhan is not here in the class, right, children? Arhan is not in the class.
Ma'am, I think he has some network issue.
Okay, let's see what is it, right? So the natural vegetation includes grasslands and forests. We here have grasslands and we have forests as well, right? Now, major crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, and delicious varieties of mangoes are grown here, right? We find very
Ma'am,
good
there-
varieties of mangoes such as the sherry and langdas, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, today who will read? Aradhya has not read till now. Aradhya did not read it once, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Aradhya will read.
Agra and Kanpur are some of the important cities of Uttar Pradesh. The famous Taj Mahal is situated in Agra and it attracts the tourists from all over the world. Kanpur is famous for textile, chemical leather and engineering industries. Kathak is the famous classical dance originated in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for its handicrafts such as silk saris, the border kit design of Varanasi, the chicken embroidery of Lucknow, and carpentry in Saharanpur, and the brass work of
Brass
Muradabad.
work of Muradabad.
Hindi and Urdu are the dominant spoken language of Uttar Pradesh.
Just Reena, is there any problem with her? Your camera is not steady. Keep your camera steady. Your camera steady, good. Right?
Ma'am, what is written in the Factpedia?
I'll tell you that. Okay. So now let's come to this. Now she said that some important cities of Uttar Pradesh are Agra and Kanpur.
Kanpur.
Apart from Lucknow, Agra and Kanpur are some of the important cities of Uttar Pradesh. The famous Taj Mahal. Who built the Taj Mahal, children?
Ma'am, Shah Jahan.
Ma'am,
Shahjahan.
Ma'am, Shah Jahan.
Ma'am, Shah Jahan.
Okay, right. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal and it is situated in
Agra.
Why is the Taj Mahal so famous, children?
Ma'am, because
Because of its
the-
style.
Ma'am,
Because
because
of
it have a. Ma'am, because it have. अरे क्या बोलूं?
and because it's very huge.
No, it
And
is one
ma'am,
of what?
Ma'am, because the wife of Shah Jahan was died and
Very good. The person who said about the 7 wonders thing was absolutely right. Okay, it is so famous because it is one of the 7 wonders in the world.
One
Right? And yes,
ma'am.
Shah Jahan built it for his wife, right? That's why
Yes,
it
ma'am.
attracts tourists from all over the world.
Mahal, in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal.
Mumtaz Mahal, right? Correct. Now, Kanpur is why is Kanpur famous for? Kanpur is famous for its industries. Kanpur has many industries such as textile, chemicals, leather, and engineering industries. All these industries are present in Kanpur, and this is what Kanpur is famous for. Kathak. How many of you know to perform Kathak? Wow, very good. Aradhya knows how to perform Kathak. Kathak has been a very famous dance form, right? Kathak is a very famous classical dance. It is originated in Uttar Pradesh only. Do you know this? Did you know this?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Kathak has been originated from Uttar Pradesh.
I also know.
Right? And it is famous for its handicrafts such as the silk saris of Banaras. Have you heard the Banarsi saris? Your mothers might be
Yes,
having
ma'am.
Banarsi dupattas, Banarsi
Yes, ma'am.
saris. They're very famous.
Yes, ma'am.
And
And
Lucknow chicken curry of
and
Lucknow,
we
have you
went-
heard of?
Others like to
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please show chicken work?
Chicken curry, Abhi, I'll show you. Just give me a moment. Okay.
Ma'am, I know how.
Yesterday when I was reading the
Ma'am, can I
chapter,
show?
Ma'am, yesterday when I was reading the chapter, I was thinking that they sell chicken.
Yeah, many of the children have such confusion, but no, it's not selling chicken, right? Chicken curry is a embroidery kind of a work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
the meaning of brocade and
So
brocade.
brocade is different, beta, and chicken brocade is a kind of a fabric, right? And chicken curry is a kind of work, which is
Excuse
done
me,
on
ma'am?
fabric.
And one day I was learning states and capital. Then ma'am asked me that what is the capital of ma'am Kohima. So ma'am I was confused. Why it is a I was confused, ma'am. Then ma'am I think that Kohima is a capital itself. From that day I learned, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Children,
you
can
know
see this
my
chicken
mother
curry
has
work?
many chicken suits.
Can you see this chicken curry work? This embroidery here. Okay. This embroidery here is known as chicken curry. Can you see this? This kind of work, it is known as chikankari.
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen
I know.
your mother's wearing suits of this, your father's wearing kurtas of chikankari. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So this is what is
Ma'am,
chikankari.
and the spelling of
Famous.
chikan. Ma'am, and the spelling of chikan is different than chicken.
Yes, and we do not call it chikan, we call it chikankari only, right? It is not
Okay.
pronounced as chikan. Okay. Right, kids? Right? Now, brocade designs of garments. Have you seen brocade?
No, ma'am.
No? See, brocade is. So I'll show you. See, brocade का ना fabric आता है. This is brocade. This much. Like if a mama were wearing skirts or no suits also. the
Yes,
kurtas of
ma'am.
brocade. Right? You might have seen your mothers wearing. Even the sherwanis which people wear on their weddings. Right? That also has this brocade work on it. Can you see the brocade work, children? This kind of work. Have you seen this? Okay. No. Akshada has never seen this.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am. I have seen it many times.
Have you seen this, Akshada? Have you seen this? Akshada,
Ma'am, there's nothing on my screen.
children, can you
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
screen?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it is
the-
false, ma'am. It is
Ma'am,
only.
it is both.
Oh, nothing
Ma'am,
is
in my
coming. Just a minute.
points.
Now, can you see?
Ma'am, it's loading.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You must have seen
Yes,
your mothers
ma'am.
wearing dupattas, suits, saris,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
brocade,
My mother
I
also
think
has.
it is parda.
right? Now, is it clear? Can I
Yes,
close this? Can I close this now?
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Thank you. So children, you must be aware of now if your mother is wearing something, you should say, oh mama, this is brocade. And brocade is famous of Banarasi. If your mother is wearing chicken, then you must
Chicken.
tell your mother that this is mama, this is chicken and this is famous from
Yes,
Lucknow. Right? You must be
Lucknow.
aware of these things.
Textile is the work. Ma'am, is textile the work of printing on clothes?
What beta?
Ma'am, is textile the work of printing on clothes?
Textile refers to the cloth. Textile is kapda. The work done on is known as embroidery or printing or something like that. Okay. Right? Clear, children?
And ma'am,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
Avdai cuisine?
What is?
Can I read?
Avdi cuisine.
Can I read Bihar?
Just a minute, beta. What is?
Ma'am, Avdi cuisine.
Ma'am, can I read Bihar Ashray?
Beta, if you'll say, can I read? Beta, I'll never give you a chance to read. You know that.
Ma'am, it is on page number 90, Factpedia.
Abhi, I'll tell you that. We'll come to the page and I'll tell you that. So, chicken curry of Lucknow, right? And after chicken curry of Lucknow, they have talked us about the carpentry in Saharanpur. Do you know the meaning of carpentry, children? What do you mean by carpentry?
Ma'am, the wooden work.
Woodwork.
The woodwork.
The
Brass
woodwork.
work of Muradabad.
Ma'am, the
Children, children, do you know what is brass? Yes, Akshada.
Ma'am, Peter. Ma'am, I know.
Do you know
Ma'am,
what
I
is
was
brass?
saying for carpentry that the people make the furnitures like chair, beds, tables.
Right, the ornaments, right? Like Murad, Peter,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
would call that. Like even
Yes,
the
ma'am.
trophies are also at times made up of brass, right? Many items. Have you seen brass work, children? Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes.
You wanna see
Ma'am, I have a glass of that.
brass as well, right? You might be having. See, even utensils of a brass are available. Can you see this? You might have seen the.
Ma'am, the screen is showing only a
This-
book.
Ma'am, can I show?
Just a minute, children. Can you see the brass utensils now? Now tell me, have you seen them? You have seen them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
They must
Yes,
be
ma'am.
at home as well. You
Ma'am,
might
I
be
have.
having, no?
On my shop,
Yes,
the
ma'am, I
two
have.
sides of button.
Yes, ma'am.
Brass which we
Ma'am, I
use.
have not seen just current.
Brass
I
is
have.
copper, I think. Yashmit, what you have is copper. Right? You might have seen the diyas which we have in our temples, right? And our mandirs, the diyas which we keep, the ghantis which we keep, right? They are made up of brass, as you can see here, right? These are all brass work, right? These kinds of stuff. Okay? Done, children?
Ma'am, in my house, we use these buttons.
Very good. Very good, children.
These
Yes,
buttons are used.
Yes, Akshana?
Ma'am, at my grandfather's house, there are so many utensils like these big plates.
So now
and
you'll
big-
go to, wow, Vashishta is showing us a brass item. See, she has brought it. Very nice, Varshita. Very nice, Varshita. Right? Now we are gonna read about, just Karan, keep the scale aside.
Ma'am, see.
What, beta?
See these buttons, brass buttons.
I cannot see you. What, wait a minute. Daksh is showing. Yeah, nice, Daksh. Good. Daksh has got all of them. Good. Yes, Bhavya?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I read?
ma'am, my
Bhavya, you have read once, no? In the previous classes?
I have not read.
Then, chalo, Bhavya
yes,
will
ma'am,
read it.
Bhavya has read.
Bhavya has read, no? Even I think Bhavya has read. Amoli has also read.
Only on
Yes,
the first
ma'am.
page.
Yes, ma'am, Bhavya has read.
Now Mokshat will
Bhavya
read. Mokshat, read about Bihar.
Okay, ma'am. Bihar. Bihar lies in the eastern part of India. It is bordered by Nepal in the north, West Bengal in the east, Uttar Pradesh in the west, and Jharkhand in the south. Patna is the capital of Bihar. The major rivers flowing through by states are the Ganga, Gandak, Kosi, and Sun River. Bihar has a warm climate with monsoons in July and August.
Very good. Thank you so much, Beta. So Bihar lies in the eastern part of India. Where does it lie, children? It lies in the
Eastern part of India.
eastern part of India, right? We have marked it as well, children. Remember that? We have marked it on the map, no? Right?
Ma'am,
Lies in the
what we have to
eastern part of India, right? And it is bounded by Nepal in the north, West Bengal in the east, Uttar Pradesh in the west, and Jharkhand in the south. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, is Bengal part of India?
West Bengal is a part of India, right? Yes, it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? And which is the capital of Bihar? What is the capital of Bihar, children? Patna. Right? Patna is the capital of Bihar. And the major rivers which flow through this state are Ganga, Gandak, Kosi, and Son rivers. We don't call it Sun. It is known as Son rivers. Right? Ganga, Gandak, Kosi, and Son rivers. Next, Bihar has what kind of climate, children?
Warm climate.
warm climate with monsoons.
It has warm climate with monsoons in July. Is it similar to some other state as well? Which state is it similar to, children?
Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh. Ma'am, UP.
Well done, Jasreena, Akshada, and Yashmit. Right? It is correct. It is similar to that of Uttar Pradesh. Monsoon again means what, children? Monsoon means?
Ma'am, rainy season.
Right. Monsoon means rainy season.
Ma'am,
Right?
monsoon means the rainy season.
Right. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Actually, I think June and July are summer months, but here it's written rainy.
No, it's always.
These are
begins- But the rain begins from like early June, like late June or early July, right? So that's not summer,
Ma'am, Kerala.
right? Now, the next one will be read by Shobhit Gupta. Sit straight, Shobhit. Sit straight
Ma'am,
properly.
actually my phone is on charging. That's why I can just,
Okay, keep it
Yes, ma'am.
properly, but read Shobhit.
I cannot adjust like. Okay, ma'am. So, as the state has many rivers, a fertile soil is used for the cultivation of crops such as rice, sugarcane, and vegetables. Rice, pulses, and vegetables form the staple food of Bihar. Litti Chokha is one of the most famous dishes of Bihar. Bihar is famous for Madhubani paintings. The people here also make cane and bamboo articles and duries. Bhagalpur is the famous for its fine quality silk.
Okay, stop here, right? So as we know that as the state has many rivers, right children? This state has many rivers and the fertile soil. Obviously children, if the state is having many rivers, then it is pretty obvious that the soil of this state is going to be fertile or not. Well,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if the state is having so many rivers, it is obvious that the soil will be fertile, right? Because it is being continuously drained, right? And because of the fertile soil, it is used for growing crops such as rice, sugarcane, and vegetables, right, children? So rice, pulses, and vegetables form the staple food of Bihar. What do you mean by the staple food, children?
Ma'am, the main food grown here.
The main food consumed here, right? Eaten here. ज़्यादातर जो खाया जाता है, right? For example, the staple food of Northern India is what? Staple food crop of Northern India. What do we eat the most, children? Wheat or rice? Akshada?
Ma'am, wheat. Ma'am, wheat.
Stop talking.
Ma'am, wheat.
Right. We eat wheat the most. We eat chapatis the most. We cannot have our any meal of ours without chapati. We include chapatis in our meals, right? And if we talk about the southern India, then the people of southern India, what do they consume the most? Wheat or rice? Rice, right?
Ma'am, rice.
Machi bhat and all, right? So the people of southern India, the staple food of the people of southern India is rice, and the staple food crop of northern India is wheat.
Ma'am, I'm from South India.
Who's from South India?
Ma'am, me.
Now Varshada. So Varshada, what is your staple food crop? What do you eat the most? Chapatis or rice?
Ma'am, rice.
See, I know that, right? Sambar, chawal and all.
Ma'am.
And all.
I have eaten litti chokha.
Yeah, litti chokha. Even I have had that. Litti chokha is
Ma'am,
one of the
I have
most famous
also.
dishes of Bihar, right?
Ma'am,
And
I have also.
very good. And Bihar is famous for its Madhubani paintings. Do you know what Madhubani paintings are, children?
Yes, ma'am. I have seen them.
How many of you
Yes,
do?
ma'am, I have.
Everybody have seen the Madhubani paintings?
No, ma'am, I didn't see.
So we will show you Abhi, right? The Madhubani paintings in the next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
The people here also make cane and bamboo articles. Cane means bas, right? And durries. Durries means the things on which we stand. No, durries जो जमीन पे बिछाते हैं हम लोग. In Hindi we call it dari, right? Bhagalpur
Yes,
is
ma'am.
fine quality silk. Now, children, since the meeting is about to get over here, we'll keep it to here only today. Tomorrow I'll show you the Madhubani paintings, cane and bamboo articles, and durries as well. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Wait.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
It's not over. Right? Do not
Bye,
leave the
ma'am.
meeting right now.
Bye, ma'am.